Good morning, friends. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. Once again, coming back to you with what we recommended on last Friday, a classic example of how professionally and technically you could be correct. Last week, if you remember, if you look at my last video, I only spoke about only one stock, that is Axis Bank. Axis Bank we recommended on 17th July at the EOD. So the video was on Saturday. So I said Axis Bank is very bullish. It will have a gap up opening, and that's a sufficient hint for you to really watch. If people have watched, as our students have watched, and they have not only watched, they have acted on Axis Bank. On 17th July, the closing price was 433, and within 3 days, on 22nd July, Axis Bank, it reached to 464. That means if you have taken only one lot of 1200, you could have earned anything between 25 to 33 points. I am not saying that you would be getting 33 points, but you can always get 28.38 point and move out depending on your risk appetite. And from one lot in 3 days, you would have earned a profit of 40,000, 39,600. And this is not a fiction. This has happened. If refer to my last video, and you will find this is how it has reacted. I also said in my last video that there will be certain changing time of Nifty and Bank Nifty, in fact, and exactly I mentioned 6 timing. Exactly the market has acted on those timings, which means if on that particular time frame of 5 minutes, the price goes above the candle, it's a buy. That I clearly instructed. And if it is going below that candle, that timing candle, it is sell. And it exactly all 6 times accurately it reacted. So that's the power of Stock Show. So 39,600, I mean, it's unbelievable, and this is all recorded history. So how many of you want to be part of this particular group? And once you are part of the group, you will get all our setup. You don't have to know anything. You just have to follow a process, and profits would be outcome. You know, the major issue is the active trade management. Always ask 3 questions. Suppose you are in a long trade, what will you do if the price, number 1, if the price goes down from here? What will you do if the price stalls here? Or what will you do if the price moving in your direction? All these strategies should be very clear as soon as you enter into a trade. And you know, another thing is very important. You can take it as a golden rule. A golden rule that traders follow is trade in direction, and that if that direction goes completely wrong, that means market has rejected your analysis. Exit and enter in the other direction. So I found generally this is something that the traders do not follow. They refuse to believe that they are wrong. They refuse to react quickly. The urge to take position against the trade is far greater than the urge to follow the trend. Good traders understand this very well, and experienced traders actually follow this process, because we always have a tendency to go against the trend, that is urge. And so therefore this is a cutting edge concept that you need to adopt. Now look at the setup of Axis that we follow. This is the daily setup of Axis Bank, and on 17th on 17th July, as I said, from 17th July, this is 17th July, this is where we actually recommended based on certain other things. And then actually Axis Bank was very bullish, and he started momentum, and you have to take care of other things like how Nifty is behaving, how Bank Nifty is behaving, how the PR class is behaving. All those behavior would take care of this particular trade. And when he traded on 15 minutes chart, it was very very clear that signals, it will give you this X signal, and then when to buy, when to sell. See, look at 17th, look at 17th. I don't want to get into detail of this particular analysis once more, because on 17th I explained clearly in my video what should you do in Axis Bank, and most of our students has minted money on Axis Bank. Actually, this on 17th of July, this was the X candle, automatically generated X candle. Trend was uptrend, and you could have taken a positional call. And when I was saying that this is a buy along with Bank Nifty was bullish, there was no reason to go short. In fact, there is no short signal generated here. You could have actually increase your lot in another X candle. That's how you actually make money. And then on 21st, it gapped up and then reached to 464. What a beautiful trade. You have if somebody has followed, it's a free call that was given in the channel. You could have minted money. And after our taking here on 17th, if you look at this, it never, after this level, it never actually given you so much of anxiety to really get out of this trade. So these indicators are actually applied in a very conscious manner, and there are a lot of knowledge and things are involved in this, in building the indicator. So you can always back test it, but that is not necessary. You can always do that, and you can make money out of this. So these indicators are reliable indicators, and I personally use these indicators. So, and I also hope that you have enjoyed the timing of Nifty reversals, which I don't teach, but this is very important things. Now these are the courses which people follow. Our basic course is SS1, where you will get mindset training, because mindset is very important. We also train you on the key candle pattern. Out of 250 patterns, we will only teach you 8 to 10 candles, and that's all. Everything is taken care of by the automatic trading setup. We will also give the stock show ride, because these signals which we generate, these are all automatic. So these are all automatic things. You have background colors, so you don't have to bother. Only you have to bother about these X candle, diamond candle, and the entry rule and exit rule. So this is a very suitable course for guys who do not know anything. And this is a 3-day course, and we'll say setup is very simple. It is a one page setup, and if you follow the rule, you don't have to worry about it. Then another and if you want to be part of our option strategy, this is one of the very priced course, SS2, which will cost you 50,000, but it does not use any Greek alpha, theta, down, gamma, volatility. It's a simple strategy which actually makes you money with very less investment, because here it enables you to take option trading. And SS3 course is actually a master course which covers Fibonacci, price volume, Bollinger Band. You have volatility in the market. I'll teach the key patterns, and in these days this Bollinger Band actually determines volatility, and in these days market is so volatile, it is very difficult to handle the trade. So this is a Fibonacci course, which is a 1 month course, and this is the master course. If you need, then you don't need anybody for life. Then SS4 course is a little mini version. Price action, only candlesticks pattern, no volume indicator. If you see the price actions here, I am not using anything, only volume. I am using volume and candlestick patterns. So this is how I determine, and then this entire knowledge is being reinforced in our this particular setup. So now another, the must have thing is know that the market is full of traps. How will you know that market is reversing from here? I have explained bull trap, bear trap in my earlier videos, and the principle is same. Only you should know how to identify bull traps and bear traps. Why is this that the market has actually reacted from here? Because when everybody knows this was the major support resist, this is the resistance, but it gapped up in these days. So basically this particular resistance, when everybody thought now this has become very very bullish, the market reacted from here, and this is actually a bull trap line. So if you know how to measure bull trap in advance, your exit from the trade would be very very easy. Or if you know if it is bear trap, your entry would be very very easy at the right point. And if you know the option mastery, then if you you get to buy at the cheapest price and sell at high price. And this bull trap is very very, it's a child's play. It's a two-day course, and if you know that, you will never regret in your life. And I also use couple of tools, like when you drive, if you have a back camera, it is very very essential. So if you have a back camera, you can park it very very well. So this is a kind of additional tools, trading tools, which you have developed. There is a type 1 divergence, type 2 divergence, and we do not sell everything on standalone basis, because we have kept discounted price for our students. So once you become a student by taking our basic course or any course, then you get at a discounted price. The prices are 5,000, 15,000, 10,000. 10,000 for our students, but without package is 20,000 rupees. This is a scanner, because in live market, I have shown how the scanner exactly at that point of time, that is the optimum time when you need to enter into the trade, has given you signal. And I have shown in Bank of Baroda how with the help of this particular screener, you can be a killer. So there are things which have been thought very carefully, and software has been all these things have been incorporated. So you don't have to bother so much about other things. So be part of our journey, and I'm sure you'll be benefited in the days to come. There are a lot of more things I'm going to develop. So this is Swarup Ghosh. Thank you very much from Stock Show Deck. Bye bye.